Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the border color on a text box in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show change the border color on a text box. Now draw a text box. Then type your text. Now going to the drawing tool, format option, then click for shape outline, then click for any source color, then again click for shape outline, then click for weight option, then now click for property. Then we show the text box border color from red color. Now we show change the border color, then again click for drawing format option tool. Now click for shape outline option. Now it shows any source color. Now it shows from yellow color. That it's. Now you can see change the border color on a text box in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.